In this video, I want to talk about the Mast Pro 2 needles from Dragonhawk. Some of you might remember my recommendation for the WJX Ultimate needles. Those were really good, and I know many of you were super happy with them, but now I've come across the Mast Pro 2 needles, and I have to say, they've won me over. The thing I like about these new needles is that the quality is just as solid as the WJX Ultimate, but they're way more affordable. Why spend more when you can get the same result for half the price? Another thing I noticed right away is the grip. I usually hold the needle at the cartridge, and with the Mast Pro 2, it feels even more secure and stable. I've been using these needles every day for the past month, and they've worked perfectly. Honestly, you don't need the most expensive needles or machines to deliver great work. A lot of the time, you're just paying extra for the brand's marketing. Dragonhawk really nails it when it comes to value for money. If you're curious to try the Mast Pro 2 needles, you can find the link in the video description. And with the code fanitattoo, you'll get 10% off. Give them a shot if you're interested, and let me know in the comments what you think.